the Museum of Our Industrial Heritage preserves and promotes the history of industrial manufacturing in Franklin County and the Pioneer Valley. Museum Director James Terapane took Connecting Point producer Tony Dunne and videographer Mark Langevin on a guided tour of this repository of our region's history.
We're a small history museum focusing on the industrial history of Franklin County. This building we're in is formerly known as the Newell Snow Factory, and he invested in the burgeoning tool industry here in Greenfield and built this building for the Wells brothers, who are starting their own version of the tap and die industry. We're on the Green River here, and the first industrial activity here was around 1700. The first grain mills were established here, and up to the present day there's been a series of manufacturing continuously here. But we're part of a larger regional story that is in the Connecticut Valley. Certainly the Connecticut Valley is known for the origins of metalworking in the United States. Once you start seeing how much activity here, you just have to ask why, how, especially in such a fairly rural area. One thing for certain is the water power. You had the Connecticut River, so even before the railroads, you had a way that these products could be delivered all over the world. One thing that we're well known for here in Greenfield is the famous Green River knife made by the John Russell Company in the 1800s. This was the tool of choice. It was really a multi-use tool for the frontiersmen, and even Native Americans coveted these. Indispensable tool out in the western part of the United States as it was being developed. Over 720,000 of these knives were manufactured here in the 1840s and 50s, all shipped out on the river transportation system. Industry really started up in the hill towns, so much of this history in Franklin County we find in the smaller towns. Conway was a major textile producer. It was a very large industrial town for quite a while. In fact, it rivaled Deerfield and Greenfield for the county seat of Franklin County for a while. They had their own hydroelectric dam powering a transportation system based on the trolleys down to the main railroad tracks. Very, very busy place. And Greenfield played its role, as did several of the other cities up and down a valley over this time. Since the tap and die industry was such a prominent industry here, we try to collect examples of all the different companies. And there's about 20 different companies that were established here. It's not so much about individual products here as methods and manufacturing techniques that were developed here, processes. So what we're most noted for is the ability to solve problems in manufacturing, mass production methods. This is what a great deal of the story is when you talk about any individual companies. Electronics, a company called Wing Manufacturing was the first company to make two-way police radios here in Greenfield. And also during World War II, that company helped develop the first radars. Some very important work was done here, some classified work that led to developments that dramatically changed the war in our favor. We're here in our hands-on area at the museum, and what we have here is an example of a mini tabletop complete machine shop that you could buy through a local company, Goodell Pratt, and we use it to demonstrate some basic machining concepts and also power transmission concepts. I think it's important to our well-being and security to keep this tradition going. It's a long tradition. It goes back to the roots of our country, the unique way we manufacture here. In fact, the world has adopted the methods for manufacturing that were developed here. And I really think it's important to keep this legacy going.